Hi guys, welcome to YouTube channel again. I hope you all are well and subscribe to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a screen protector on phone. This is a 2.5D full cover screen protector. I brought this screen protector from AliExpress. You'll find the screen protector purchase link in this video description. And the price of this screen protector is $1.29. So let's install the screen protector. So first I'm going to turn off the phone, then I'm removing the phone case. Now I'm going to clean my phone display with this white paper. So I'm going to wipe my phone display with this wet wipe paper. Do not use dry one first time. Okay, here is the wet wipe paper. So now I'm going to clean the display. Very carefully wipe every corner of your phone display. Okay, after wiping with this wet paper, now I'm going to use dry wipe paper. Again, very carefully wipe every corner of your phone display. Okay, this is a dust absorber. Now I'm going to use this dust absorber for removing dust from my phone display. Here you can see in this way you can remove dust from your phone display with this dust absorber. Okay, now I'm going to install the protector. So take the screen protector and add these two stickers on this protector. Like this. Okay, now set the screen protector on your phone display perfectly. Now attach the sticker with the phone like this. Again, you can use dust absorber and dye wipe paper for final clear. Now remove the plastic paper for final set the screen protector. Now very carefully place the screen protector on the phone display. And here you can see it's perfectly set on the display. Now again take the dye wipe paper and wipe the protector like this. Now you can remove the sticker. Okay, I am removing my sticker. Okay, in this way you can install a screen protector on your phone display. I hope now you are able to do this and also like this video. If you are, please click on the like button, subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and unboxing videos. So finally, thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.